Hi. The basic concept behind Skin Modifier is fantastic. It lets you create the base for a character's silhouette quickly and easily. Unfortunately, it can be a bit glitchy at times, and because of its simple design, it's quite limited. So I created my own version of a skin modifier based on SDF, which gives it some new capabilities. However, I needed a shortcut to quickly adjust the vertex crease, so I assigned Ctrl-Alt-E to it. In this case, the vertex crease value affects the radius. Here I'm presenting a slightly older version of the setup. The current version of Voxel Skin will soon be available for free via Blender Kit. Updated modifier looks like this. To use the Boolean function, the vertices that are to be used to cut out holes must simply be assigned to the group vertex group. And that's basically it. I hope you find this useful. Consider subscribing if you liked it, and see you later.